Every once in a while I make a video just for fun and just for the hell of it, and this is gonna be one of those videos. You know, you run out of ideas how to drive those silly YouTube creators nuts. Well, I got you covered. Drive them nuts 1. When they post a video, make sure you point out that a bunch of other videos have been posted just like it. So why did they bother? Keep doing this until they question making any videos at all. Drive them nuts 2. Accuse the creator they are just doing it for the money. As we all know, it's a crime to make money, because why should someone who spends nearly 1,000 times what they make off YouTube advertising to make videos eat? Drive them nuts 3. Here's a good one you may not have thought of. Make sure to downvote any video posted, especially before you watch it. It's a sure way to take your crappy, frustrated life out on someone else who just tried to improve yours. Drive them nuts 4. Here's one. Instead of encouraging the person to make videos that you get to watch for free, point out the slightest thing you think is wrong in the video, even though you have no clue how to make them yourself. It takes some effort, and constant critiquing is recommended, but warning, if they call you on it, tell them you're just doing it to help them. They always fall for that one. Drive them nuts 5. This one takes some practice. Engage the creator by insinuating something about them that isn't true, so they feel they have to defend themselves. You gotta be subtle with this one, but the best is to question their ethics or integrity. Drive them nuts 6. Okay, this is really good. Bitch and complain to the creator on how they just wasted X amount of your time or life. Because as we know, that 5 minutes that you didn't have to watch is way more important than the 40 to 80 hours that the YouTube creator spent making the video, right? Drive them nuts 7! If you host the creator's videos, YouTube, you can really F with their mind. Just flag every single video they post, no matter what, as inappropriate for advertising revenue during the first 1,000 views, since that's when most of the revenue is made. And don't forget, make the creator spend their time to get the video reviewed. If they don't notice it's been flagged and don't ask for a review, then you're not doing your job. Drive them nuts 8. And here's another one for the video hosting service, YouTube, that will really make the creator think they've been shat on. Tell them you want to interview them and help them with their channel. Then miss the appointment. Then make the creator set another appointment, then miss that appointment, then go radio silent on them for the rest of forever. Epic win. Drive them nuts 9. Okay. Exercise your freedom of speech by leaving a generous butt-ton, what is a butt-ton anyway, of nasty comments that the creator has to go clean up. What's really effective is to leave a ton of nasty comments to people who have already commented. That way, the creator can wonder why people don't comment on his videos anymore. I mean, it's not like anyone is ever going to judge your college entrance or job worthiness in the future by what a snarky little bitch you are, right? Drive them nuts 10. Okay, this takes some finesse. Leave a negative opinion on the creator's video, but use generalities like the news media does, like everyone, all of us, they say, and other such gems. You know, everyone I've talked to doesn't like the new format. I mean, confidentially speaking, they all think it sucks. If they buy into this, they will change everything that made their channel successful and then chase their tail trying to figure out why it's not failing. Epic! Drive them nuts 11. Totally cannibalize the creator's time by asking leading questions in emails or comments instead of just asking the question you didn't really care about in the first place. Dude, can I ask you a question? Sure, what do you need? My question is about lights. Okay, what's your question? It's about color. And? I'm gonna be buying some lights. Okay, what is your question? Did you know about lights? Yes. Then can I ask you? Yes, what is your question? Have you used lights? Yes, you said you had a question. Where to get them? Get lights? Yes. Will you give me your lights? Mother. Drive them nuts 12. Hey, this really works. Wrap the creator up in some deal where you offer to pay them or to review something or sponsor them, but keep egging them along and don't under any circumstances answer any questions about money. Then, after you've cannibalized a ton of their time, offer them something like $100 for doing 2 weeks of work. I mean, seriously, why should someone make more than $1 an hour? They're YouTubers. Drive them nuts 13! Lastly, never forget to come down hard on any creator who tries to make money by presenting even 1 second of their venture on their YouTube channel. I mean, the mere idea that the creator should be making money doing anything is appalling, right? Those silly YouTube creators. In case you ran out of ideas on how to make YouTube creators nuts, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Every once in a while, I like to make something just for fun, like this video. Sure enough, here's what's going to happen. Someone is going to comment or email me on how all this stuff must have happened to me, and I must be venting and must be pissed off about it, otherwise I wouldn't have made this video. It's that kind of stuff happens to you too. Remember, there are people out there who will stare for hours at a frozen juice can just because it says concentrate.